Okay, so we've all been there. We've copied and pasted an image into Canva, and we've got this ugly white background that just doesn't mix well with our background for our poster. So what we can be tempted to do is click on the background remover, and then you'll be prompted to sign up for Canva. And I'm just not ready for that. Given that Canva is worth $54 billion or thereabouts, I'm going to try and save a few dollars and do it my own way. What I do is simply go to the image that I want to screen grab. So I'll get a new snip. I'll save as, and I'll call it example. Remember, it's on my desktop. Then I will go to background remover. I will upload an image, which is on my desktop, if I recall, my example. And then with a quick click of the button, we don't need to use any fancy software for this because it's such a simple background. With most images that we're trying to do, it's normally a simple background. You can just delete all the white in the background. So then what I do is I drag this item in, and there we go. There's my solution right there. Make it bigger or smaller. A much nicer finish. Give it a go yourself. Let me know how you go.